Akshada. Today we want to discuss on why preparation is important. Having study, having examination in the on the point of view of examination. So first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Akshada Nemade. I am the current student of EDSA, Easy English coaching classes. Here I learn how to speak English in front of any person. Means that what is the English language. Here we teach what is the English language and how could we perform it in our day-to-day life. So having living life and having our examination point of view, that's time we have preparation. Because of having doing study, we all are thinking that I want to become a great student, I want to become a bright student, clever student, having in my school life, in my tuition coaching classes at all. These kinds of things happen with us. So for doing this dream true, and is our desire, we are willing to do that kinds of things. So at that time we should have preparation, we should do preparation about our study. So what can you say?
Yes, I totally appreciate with you. So firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kiran, and our today's topic is why is the preparation important for study. And I am also the current student of EDSA Easy English classes. So today our topic is the importance of preparation for study. If why we do preparation, because if we want to become a successful person, so that's time we have to do preparation. Now this time in the era, all the exams are very hard, like JEE, NEET, NIS, etc. All the exams are very tough. So we have to do perfect preparation to achieve our goals and be capable for we be capable for to achieve our goals. And every parents want their child become independent and become a successful person in the world that everything is easy. If we do study and do preparation, so we will do everything as possible as. So what can you say?
Yeah, I'm totally appreciate with you. Actually, every parents wants that their child will become independent and they should not want anything that from their parents, from their society. So for that, the preparation helps us to do better thing. Means having our examination point of view, and nowadays just you told that very importance and high exams are higher in our country, in our state, that is JE and NEET. For that we should have prepared for that, and with the help of our preparation we can change our life in fresh. Moreover, it is a part of our life, because of just due to our study, just due to our that preparation, we can make a successful person in our life. And success is the work on that, and for that the preparation gives us the special kinds of thing. Means with the help of preparation we can make a successful person. So preparation is also part of success. So what is?
Yes, I totally appreciate you. Behind every successful person, the preparation matters. If we do preparation, so that's time we definitely get success in our life. We think that the topper get always very good marks because of preparation. Behind the topper do preparation day by day. He or she just solve the topic and learn the topic perfectly, because he do preparation. He wants that he become a topper in school, and you will know that a successful person get more value in the society. So that's time preparation is always preparation helps us in our success also. And preparation help to increase our value in front of everyone. So that preparation is very important. So what can you say?
Yeah, actually, it is the right topic that preparation increase our value in our society. Because of this preparation, we can make a successful person in this society, and everyone wants to be a successful person. And isn't it true that everyone person respect to a successful person in his or his life, because he or she is an idol for everyone, that I want to become like him or her. So our preparation matters. How could we do better performance, and that this performance makes us a successful person. So our preparation matters, that how hard we can work, how hard we can achieve our success. So I think we should do preparation for our goal, for our better future, and it is the part of our life. So we should not think means we should not think that it is the mistake, or that's kinds of thing we have to just do it for time pass, but it is a part of life. So we should we should always prepare for our better future, for our better aim.
So yes, I totally appreciate with you. So now preparation is a very good thing for every student. If a person do preparation, so he get definitely success in his or her life. And every parents want their child become independent. And if we know that in our family, if a child becomes successful, the if a child
we should do preparation for our better future. And lastly, I just suggest you preparation makes us a perfect person in our life, so we should prepare for everyone. So thank you so much for watching us, and please subscribe our channel, and can if you can do like, so it is will be a better thing for us. Thank you very much.